What's up, guys? I'm Patronn, Brooklyn Mitsubishi. If you don't know me by now, you should, or check my story. Alright, so we're putting a conference together. It'll be the biggest conference pretty much you're ever going to attend in New York City. So it's one of the hardest cities to do. Okay, so we're trying to do it in December. So that means we're going to have some big players, okay, coming to this conference, flying in from all over the country. We have room up to 500 people, okay, and it's going to be one of the biggest investments we're going to make. But you know what? You want to know why we're the #1 Brooklyn Mitsubishi dealership in all NYC? Okay, you want to know everything that's going on in automotive for 2019? You want to be at this conference, okay? Lots of vendors are going to be there, okay? Kind of like the recipe sauce, the secret sauce that we give here. And you don't want to miss this conference. So it's a little investment that you can make, but it'll be the biggest reward you'll get. So click the link below, okay? And holler at me at PatronShow.com. Peace!